Hello students, this is Anand Misra from Umadevi Children's Academy, and in this video I am going to teach you the most important topic of English, which is basic thing in English, and I think it is very important to teach this topic, and the name of the topic is nouns. So in this video we shall learn about nouns. Okay? Okay, this is the definition of noun. Let us go through this definition of noun. A noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, a noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Let us go through another definition of noun. Nouns are the naming words. Nouns are the naming words. And in short, we can say every person, everything, every animal, or every place which has a name, that is noun. Okay? Everything which has a name is noun. So, for example, Rahul, Kanpur, tiger, and pen, etc. Okay? So, Rahul is the name of a person, Kanpur is the name of a place, tiger is the name of a what? Tiger is the name of a animal, of an animal, and pen is the name of a thing. Okay? So, this is the definition and example of noun. Okay? Now let us go. Now let us come to the next. And now we are going to learn about the kinds of noun. Now question rises that how many kinds of noun are there? Okay, so there are 5 kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. This is noun and these are 5 kinds of noun. Number 1, common noun. Number 2, proper noun. Number 3, material noun. Number 4, collective noun. And number 5, abstract noun. Okay, these are kinds of noun. Okay, what? Number 1, common noun. Number 2, proper noun. Number 3, material noun. Number 4, collective noun. And number 5, abstract noun. Okay, but in this video we are going to learn about only 2 or 3 kinds of noun. Okay, so let us discuss about common noun. Okay, common noun. What is a common noun? So it is a name given in common to every person, place, animal or thing of the same kind or class. Okay, so to some, common noun is a name given in common to every person, place, animal or thing of same kind or same class. Okay, just like let us take one example. Suppose that all the students in the class are reading. Okay, and then I indicate, I say all the students, yes, yes, students, good morning. If I say good morning, students, good morning, students. So here I am talking about, I am wishing good morning to all the students of the class. Okay, and so this is the common noun. Let us take another example, because there in the class all the students, even it is boy or girl, okay, they all are students. Okay, so let us take another example. Suppose that age student boy girl river wedding etc. Okay, so let us take some examples here. All the men were dancing. In this sentence, we are not talking about any particular person. Okay, here we are talking about all the men. All the men. So men, this is a one class. Okay, this is a one class, one kind of person. Okay, so this is common noun. Okay, let us take another example. This is example number 1. This is example number 2. Another example. This is another example. There are so many rivers in the world. Now here in this sentence, we are not talking about just like a particular river. If I say the name of Ganga, Yamuna, okay, so then it will be another kind of noun. Okay, but here I am talking about uh, all the rivers. Okay, this is, there are so many rivers in the world. I am saying there are so many rivers in the world. But here I am not talking about a particular river. Okay. So this is also a common noun. Okay. Now next one. Okay, there are many weddings in India. Here I am not talking about a particular wedding. Just like if I had said about the Taj Mahal or Qutub Minar, okay, and any other building. So, but here I am not talking about a particular. here I am talking about all the buildings. So buildings may be any, that means it may be any building. Okay, so there are so many buildings. There are so many buildings in India. Okay, but here I am not talking about a particular building. I am not taking the name of any particular building. So this is the common noun. Okay. Okay. This is the. Now let us go to the next kind of noun, that is proper noun. Okay. This is the definition of proper noun. Now read it carefully. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Okay? As Rohan, tiger, Sita, Kanpur and Sprite, etc. Okay? So, let us take some examples. Just like I am teaching the student in the class. Okay? So, if I say I want to call one particular student and the name of the student is, suppose that, Priya. Okay? So I will not say, yes student come here. I will say, yes Priya come to me. Priya come to me. Okay? So Priya, there are so many girls, so many students are there. Okay? But I wanted to indicate one particular person. So I took her name, her particular name. Okay? That is Priya. So next one, tiger. There are so many animals, but here I am indicating the particular animal, that is tiger. Sita, it is also name of a girl, particular girl, just like and Kanpur, this is also the name of a particular place, and Sprite, this is also a name of a particular cold drink. Suppose that I say any student, if I say any person, go and bring cold drink for me. Okay, now he will be confused. He will be confused. Which cold drink? Which cold drink I like? So, but when I say, go and bring the cold drink of Sprite. Okay? So, Sprite is the name of particular cold drink. Okay? So, now it is clear which cold drink do I want? Sprite. So, this is the proper noun. Okay? And suppose that if here, let us take some examples. Okay, here is the example. The Taj Mahal is very attractive building. Okay, so there are so many buildings in the country, in the world, but here I am talking about particular building. Which building is that? The Taj Mahal. Now this is the name of a particular building. Okay, so this is proper noun and here building is common noun. Okay, this is common noun, but this is proper noun. Taj Mahal is proper noun. Okay, Now let us take another example. The Ganga is a holy river. As we know very well, there are so many rivers. Now, how can we recognize about which river we are talking? About which river we are talking? So, how can we find? So, this is the name of a particular river. This is the name, the Ganga. Okay, Ganga. Here I am calling the name, indicating the name of a particular river, and the name is Ganga. Oh, okay. So if we say river, then it is common noun. But if we say it's a particular name, just like Ganga, Yamuna, Tapti, Godavari, and so on. Okay, if we take the name of a particular river, so that is proper noun. Okay, that is proper noun. So I hope you have understood well about the proper and common noun and about the nouns. Okay, so this is the proper noun. Okay, now I hope you like this video, and okay students, so in this video we have learned about nouns, okay, and uh, about the definition of noun and how many kinds of noun are there, and just like we have um, we have read in detail about two nouns, that are proper noun and common noun, and okay, bye.